Hi friends, this is Rajarshi Rashekar. Welcome to my Spiritual Wisdom Information channel. We are remembering spiritual wisdom. We are here for not learning, we are here for remembering. This is a great realization, my dear friends. So today our concept about walking. In the story of my walking. Yes, my dear friends, I am a walking. Let us be discuss about this story, my walking story. When I walking, how it will happen. So we will discuss. Before that, we should know about what is walking. Walking means higher masters, other planetary beings, higher dimensional beings. With the permission of these earth planet beings, they enter into the bodies, adult bodies. They do not take birth in mother home. They avoided taking birth. They enter into the adults' bodies to work for humanity, to work for the total earth planet. So I am a walking, my dear friends. This is walking. So we know about walkings. We have seen number of walkings. Mahatma Gandhi is a walking. Abraham Lincoln was a walking. So many walkings. Jesus Christ and Mother Sita, and recently announced Patriji, Brahmarshi Pitama Patriji, he was a walking. So there is number of walkings, thousands of walkings now on this earth planet. They were doing their work for entire humanity. Yes, my dear friends, you must understand. You may be walking. You know about yourself. So I will tell about my walking. When I introduced into meditation, when I have been practicing meditation in 2015. Before that, I done my MBA. I'm doing a great job at that time. One of my friend introduced to this meditation. When I met my Guruji, Brahmarshi Pitama Patriji, when I took a decision to become a vegetarian and let's start meditation in my life. So that was my greatest relation at that time. So I started practicing meditation hours together. So one day I sat in meditation 12 hours, morning 6 to evening 6. At that time, the state of bliss, that awareness, that samadhi state, that zero state of mind, that nirvana state, I realized so much things about life, about this body, about the spiritual science. So then I decided to teach meditation to this happiness to be reach everyone. So I started my journey to teach and spread meditation about vegetarianism. So when I decided to start this journey, I met a major accident, my dear friends. I am distributing pamphlets from village to village. So in the travel, I met heavy transport vehicle, lorry. I met accident. It was a severe accident, major accident. I couldn't believe that I could survive. People who are watching who have seen that accident, they were shocked. They were shocked. How you survive? It is impossible. We have seen that was very heavy transport vehicle, and that too there was a raining time. So I immediately wake up and stand up and just I dress up, and I started my spreading pamphlets and my work. I'm doing my work. Fraction of seconds. People are shocked and wondering. Actually, I don't think much about that, but I met severe accident. I just clean up my body and everything. Just little bit of blood injuries there. So from that day, I couldn't realize about me what exactly happening. But later, when I practice meditation and when I listening Sajjana Sangatya, so I realized that before my priorities, before my interests are very very different. After that accident, I started meditation more and more, and I spread meditation more and more, and I teach meditation more and more, village to village, town to town, district to district, and states to state. I traveled entire India, from Delhi to Calcutta, Calcutta to Chennai, Chennai to Bangalore, Bangalore to Mysore, Mysore to Goa, Goa to Rishikesh. So many places, Raipur, Bhilai, so many places. I'm going Mumbai. I started teaching different states and spreading about vegetarianism. Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, these states. So I realized myself, I'm just self-checking. Why I am doing this? Why I am attaching these spiritual works more and more? Before, my goal was to become a film director and to earn money, and just because of my self-growth. But there is no, after that met accident, so my priorities always changed. I always work for others. A walk-in always interest to teach others, interest to help others. So I read so many books. For example, Strangers Among Us by Ruth Montgomery. There is a greatest book about walk-ins. A walk-ins, how they works. In that book I have read. So I realized that yes, because of that soul connection, because of that energy connections, because of that the flow of energies, I am doing this. I am taking this body to a great higher soul. That's why I am like this. So I realized, I understood. Yes, I am getting happy and teaching meditation and teaching about vegetarianism and spiritual science. I am so much happy. My dear friends, check about yourself. There is a self-checking. Practicing more and more meditation. Realize yourself. You may be a walk-in. You may be a walk-in, or so many walk-ins in our plans, in our communities, in our friends, in our families. Observe them. They always teach for others, they always help for others. Yes, we have seen so many people's number of walk-ins are around us to evolve us, to evolve this planet for the new age, for the new shift, for the light age. My dear friends, we are all the family of light. We must understand these things about walkings, about astral travels, about third eye, about telepathy, about teleportation, so many things, spiritual powers. So I am a walking, my dear friends. I am happy for this teaching meditation to people, whoever front of me, wherever I am. So I am getting more happiness. Thanks for this life, thanks for this body, thanks to you, my dear friends. Thank you very much.